Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This whole month, we're teaching you how to greet people in Hakka, and today let's specialize in kids. 好了，今天呢，我们要专注在问候小朋友。A lot of times when we see kids, when we see children, we like to ask them, "How old are you?" So let's teach people how to say that in Hakka directly to a kid. 小朋友几岁啦？
小朋友。
嘿，小朋友 ，that's kid.
幾多歲咧？
很簡單，幾多歲咧？就是請你問幾歲了那樣子。Okay, how old are you? So, 那個小朋友可能會我3歲，對不對？3歲。3歲啊，如果是7歲。
7歲。
7歲，好。
海陸腔不一樣哦。
海陸腔不一樣哦。Okay, so with a different dialect, saying your age is a little different. 這樣有什麼不一樣？來聽聽看。
幾歲叫幾多歲？
幾多歲？
歲跟歲。
歲 okay. 歲跟歲 they all mean age, but with a different dialect in Hakka. And after you ask how old are you, you might ask them what grade are you in? 可能會問，你念小學幾年級啊？那我們來教一下。
讀小學。
就是小學，對不對？讀小學。
幾多年生？
幾多年生？What grade do you go to in elementary school? All right? 那如果說今天是說，請問你念國中幾年級？你念高中幾年級？那怎麼講呢？
讀國中。
那是國中嗎？
對。
That's junior high. 讀國中。
幾多年生？
也是一樣，幾多年生 That means which grade, which level, which year. All right? 那如果是高中的話呢？
讀高中。
讀高中 That's high school.
幾多年生？
幾多年生 That means which year are you in again? Okay, let's go ahead and review these terms, these phrases right here. Again, when you meet a kid, you might ask him or her, 小朋友幾歲啦？ How old are you?
小朋友幾多歲咧？
小朋友幾多歲咧？ Okay, and then you might further the question, what year are you in? 你現在念小學幾年級呢？
讀小學幾多年生？
讀小學幾多年生？ And then if it's not 小學, which is elementary school, it could be junior high, 國中。
國中。
國中 or substitute with high school, 高中。
高中。
高中 There you have it. And that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.